Welcome back to my channel, and this is Prerna and this is Super Beauty Desires channel, as you all know. So today I'm just going to share something about me, everything about me. Yeah, not everything, but yeah, something about me. Yeah, so today the video is all about get to know me better. Yeah, so let's get from this cell. Yeah, so I'll be reading all the questions and I have my diary also with me. So yeah, let's get started. I have some of the question list of some questions that I will be telling you guys. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So first, name Prerna. As you all know, I am Prerna. Then next question, birthday. Yeah, I have my birthday on 19th of October. Yeah, so today it's 19th of October, guys. So wish me happy birthday. Yeah, you can wish me happy birthday by commenting below. Send me wishes, guys. And I thought to publish this video on 19th of October because yeah, what can be great to let you all know something about me on my birthday. Yeah, so today is 19th of October and today it's my birthday. Yeah, so very excited for it. And then third question is first award. Yeah, so I have received my first award when I was in second or third standard. Yeah, I was very much fond of dancing, so my daughter is. Yeah, so I was very much fond of dancing, guys. My mama and papa used to, get me into the Kathak. As you all know, Kathak. I know Kathak, little bit of Kathak. So yeah, I just used to, learn Kathak those days, and I have, performed one stage function in Delhi. So I have one peacock kind of shield from there. I had stood second there in my second or third standard, I remember, and I have that peacock shield with me in my mom's home. So yeah, that was my first award. Then I got another awards in my schooling when I was in 9th to 10th standard, but in that thing I just got award in singing. Yeah, oh my god, I don't know how I got awarded in singing and dancing. I can dance, I can sing, but not that sort of. Yeah, so yeah, so that was the question. And then next question is one thing you cannot leave home without. Okay, so one thing I cannot leave home without is my lipstick. Yeah, as you all know, my lipstick love, I am a big lover of lipsticks. If I have, if I do not have mind to apply lipstick, I'll be going by applying some tinted lip balm also. So yeah, that thing is the thing that I cannot leave home without. Also my phone. Yeah, as you all, that's the thing that is applicable to you all also. You also cannot leave your home without your cell phone. Am I right, guys? Yeah, so next question is favorite brand of makeup. Favorite brand of makeup is Maybelline, I think. Yeah, Maybelline is my favorite brand of makeup because I always go very, in budget. So Maybelline products comes in my budget. So Maybelline is my favorite brand. And also when I was a kid, my mama and my masis used to use Lakme lipstick. So I मेरी जो सबसे पहली जो फेवरेट ब्रांड थी मेकअप की वो लैक्मे ही थी. या सो अभी जब मैं बड़ी हुई हूँ तो मेबलिन हो गई है, बट फर्स्ट जो मेरा लव था वो लैक्मे ही था. Okay, so next question is best holiday till date. So best holiday till date is Singapore Malaysia tour. That was with my family, me, my husband and my daughter. Went there in 2015 November. Yeah, so we are just going to cross 1 year. We need one holiday very soon. Yeah. So yeah, that was the best holiday till date, Singapore and Malaysia tour. The next question is flat or heels. So basically I go for heels. Yeah, I go for heels because I am yeah, I go for heels, guys. But whenever I go for shopping, I prefer to wear sport shoes or flat kind of thing shoes because my legs pain a lot. So that's why I prefer to use flats whenever I go for shopping. Then favorite colors. Okay, my favorite color is purple. Yeah, all time favorite, my all time favorite color is purple. Otherwise I also like black, red, and peach and turquoise. These are my, changing type of colors that keep on changing, but purple is my all time favorite color. Then currently single or taken, married. Yeah, I am married, guys. I am happily married. Yeah, it's been 5 years that I have been married to one person that I will be, showing you in my coming videos. Also, I am insisting my husband to come in one of my video, but he is so much camera shy, so he just, always say no to me. No, I do not want to come on your channel and what thing. So yeah, I am married. I am happily married. Yeah, then next, currently having baby. Yeah, I have a daughter, so I am having a baby, my daughter. Currently wearing, okay, what I'm currently wearing is this pink top. This is from Vero Moda, and I have just tried this choker today only. Yeah, this is the first time I'm wearing this choker. I am, and also I am wearing shorts from Vero Moda. So these are the things that I am currently wearing. Then currently planning in mind. Okay, so this is the question I just want to, answer very frankly. Since I have been on YouTube, I do not, I did not know the importance of subscribers. I was just making videos, but recently when, you guys come and connect to me, I just got to know the importance of all the people who are subscribing me. Earlier I was just making videos and nothing else, but it was not fun to make those kind of videos. But now I have, some connections with you guys, so I, film more and more videos for you all and connecting with you all more and more. All I just wait for all your comments and all the likes doesn't matter, but yeah, comments, I just look forward for all the comments. I read all the comments, although I do not receive so much of comments frankly on my videos, because all the time on my mind is YouTube videos, YouTube videos, YouTube videos. So YouTube is the thing that is on my mind all the time. So yeah, that was the answer of the question. The next question is do you believe in God? Yes, I do believe in God. I cannot say how much I believe in God. I believe in God so much. I believe in God. The next question is, do you believe love at first sight? No, I do not believe love at first sight. I believe that अगर आप किसी पर्सन को जानोगे नहीं, अगर थोड़े दिन आप उसके साथ रहोगे नहीं, उसका नेचर नहीं जान लोगे, आपको जब पता नहीं लगेगा कि आपकी कुछ थिंकिंग्स उससे मैच हो रही हैं, या फिर आपकी लाइकिंग्स डजेंट मैटर, बट या थिंकिंग इज़ द थिंग जो कि मैच होनी ही चाहिए पर्सन, अगर आप किसी पर्सन के साथ रह रहे हो. नॉट ऑल द थिंकिंग्स, बिकॉज आई बिलीव दैट पर्सन टू पर्सन जो है थिंकिंग्स चेंज होती हैं. आपकी हर एक थिंकिंग उस पर्सन से नहीं मैच हो सकती फॉर श्योर, बट देयर आर अ नंबर ऑफ थिंकिंग्स दैट आर मच इम्पॉर्टेंट टू कैरी ऑन योर मैरिड लाइफ. वो तो ज़रूरी है आपकी, what do we say, match honi hi chahiye. So I do not believe love at first sight. There are a number of people who believe love at first sight, but I am not that kind of person who fell in love after just seeing the person, after just seeing the outer personality of a person. I trust people very, I cannot trust people very soon, so I take my time to trust people, to fall in love with them and to get attracted towards them. So that's why I am, ours is the arranged marriage. Yeah, so ours is the arranged marriage, so love at first sight, I do not believe on that. Then next question is favorite Indian food. Okay, my favorite Indian food is all time paneer tikka. Yeah, I like paneer tikka so much, spicy paneer tikka, and also chicken tandoori. I like tandoori chicken so much, and अगर मेरे हस्बैंड का हाथ का बना हुआ हो तो बस क्या कहना. मुझे अपने हस्बैंड के हाथ का बना हुआ तंदूरी चिकन बहुत पसंद है, बहुत मीन्स बहुत पसंद है. And the next question is, what describes you best as Indian? Okay, I am Indian. तो इसको बेस्ट डिस्क्राइब कैसे किया जा सकता है? तो इसको डिस्क्राइब ऐसे किया जा सकता है, मेरी इफ़ आई गैस, इसको बेस्ट डिस्क्राइब मैं ऐसे कर सकती हूँ कि आई enjoy each and every festival of India. I try to make all the festivals very lively in my home. I try to celebrate all the festivals of India. Not all the festivals, but yeah, वो festivals जो हमारे घर में celebrate होते हैं, मैं try करती हूँ कि मैं उसको बहुत अच्छे से celebrate करूँ, और with the happiness and all the prosperity comes in my home. So yes, it was the answer. Then what's your style? My style is to be comfortable. Yeah, first of all, I think to be comfortable, then anything else comes in my mind, because I do not rush, towards any fashion trend. I like fashion trends. I like people watching, wearing all the fashion trends that are going on these days, but I do not rush towards them, because first of all, I feel that will I be comfortable in that type of clothing? If the answer is yes, then only I will rush towards that fashion trend. Not all the time I'm going towards that fashion trend. Yeah, so it's my style mantra. Then next thing is being fit mantra. Being fit mantra. I would love to answer this question, as I was very much skinny बिफोर मैरिज. जब मेरी शादी नहीं हुई थी तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा स्किनी थी, बहुत पतली थी. एंड आफ्टर माई मैरिज एंड आफ्टर आई हैव गिवन बर्थ टू माई बेबी, आई गेन लिटिल बिट ऑफ वेट. After that, I used to have Kellogg's in my breakfast, and I skipped my lunch. Yeah, so I used to have Kellogg's cornflakes in my breakfast, and I used to skip my lunch. Then at night, I used to have my dinner. So this was my funda to get rid of that fat also. So yeah, I am not recommending you guys to follow that, because I know skipping food is not a good habit, but yeah, I just did that. So yeah, it was my answer to this question. The next question is your favorite video of your channel. Okay, so I have made so many videos on my channel, but my favorite video is that video which is famous with you all. So my famous video that has so many views right now is how to get rid of fat, how to burn fat from your body, tummy, how to get that flat tummy. So I used to follow that recipe, so I just made that video on my channel. So that has to be my favorite. Otherwise I very much regret whenever I make bad videos that has bad video quality, bad that, what do we say, screenplay. So because I am just learning with my new camera, I have Nikon D5000, so I am learning this camera right in these days. So sometimes I make mistakes also. Sometimes I do not set my lenses well, so it just वो दिखता है मेरे वीडियो में कि मैंने मेहनत नहीं करी है, बट समटाइम्स मैं कर लेती हूँ थोड़ी सी मेहनत, तो वीडियो अच्छे बन जाते हैं. सो या, इट वॉज द थिंग. देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, हाउ लॉन्ग डज इट टेक टू गेट रेडी? Okay, I just get ready in 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah, I can do my makeup, face makeup in just 10 minutes. Then I will be wearing clothes and setting up my all the things, accessories, so I can get ready in 20 minutes. But at times whenever I have to wear sari, so yeah, I take a long time to wear sari, because I am not used to wear sari. I just wear sari whenever I am with my in-laws, or there is any festival, or there is any function at my home. So I just take so long to wear sari. So yeah, it is the question of the answer. Huh? It is the answer of the question. And then it completes all my list, guys. You guys, it has finished all my list. these were all the questions that I had in mind. If you have some more questions for me to answer, so please do not forget to write in the comments below section. So I'll be checking out there, and I will be, making one more video on question and answer type of video very soon on my channel. So yeah, these were all the questions that I have to answer, and here it finishes my video. And here finishes of my video, my get to know me better tag video. So if you like this video, please hit like button over there, and please hit subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. And yeah, till then, stay stylish, stay beautiful, and please stay connected to me, guys. I feel very happy when you comment on my channel, and when you show some love to my channel. So yeah, stay tuned, stay stylish. Bye bye, take care. Bye, love you all.